Good evening, I'm weather forecaster Noah Gordon. Record-setting warmth out there today. If we take a look at current temperatures around the region here, we see 83 in Muncie, 81 in Indianapolis. Further west, though, we can see that cold front starting to move into the region here. 70 in Chicago, down all the way to 68 Peoria. Really going to mark a change to that warm weather we've seen throughout the region. But for today, taking a look at our almanac here, today's high 85, tied a record that was set all the way back in 1915. 85 degrees here in the region, almost 20 degrees above our average high for this time of year. Just unseasonably warm out there. But if we take a look at our next 12 hours, this is really going to come to an end pretty fast overnight here. Temperatures dropping as that cold front moves through all the way down into the mid to upper 50s by the time we get to tomorrow morning here. But as we take a look at our radar here, we can see that cold front off to the west here, moving in along I-65 here, impacting places like Lafayette. Should get to our region here roughly about midnight, 1, 2, 3 a.m. time frame here. So tonight, showers late, low of 52. Winds are going to be on the south-southwest at 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusting the more closer that front gets to us. Precipitation 40% going to increase as we get into those overnight hours. Tomorrow, rain showers throughout the day, a high of only 52 here. Winds out of the east at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Rain pretty much a guarantee off and on all day. Not going to be a washout per se, but just going to be a pretty rainy day here. By 6 or 7 a.m. tomorrow here, we see rain has overspread the region here and really just going to sort of persist throughout the day and into the afternoon here. But by the time we get to the evening commute, early evening 5, 6, 7 o'clock, a bit of a break here from the rain and cloud cover remains here, but a few hours to get out and enjoy things on Friday night. Going to be a little bit cold here, but this really isn't going to last for long here. We see by the early hours on Saturday that rain comes back and it's going to be pretty heavy at times throughout Saturday morning here. Clouds going to remain throughout the region, but by the time we get to about noon on Saturday here, that rain is going to be moved out of our region and just replaced by cold temperatures here. And that cold snap we see over the weekend is going to be pretty prolonged. In fact, if we take a look at our temperature outlook here over the next 6 to 10 days, our region highlighted in that really dark blue, really seeing a big possibility for below average temperatures throughout our region. So I wouldn't be surprised to see these 50s and 60s stay around, and it may be a while before we see another 80-degree day here in Muncie. But taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, rain on Friday and Saturday, high only 46 on Sunday, and then a brief cool up as we head into Monday and Tuesday here, all the way up to 60 on Wednesday here before temperatures are impacted by rain as we get further into the work week. This has been your NewsLink Indiana weather from Ball State Unified Media.